hope you all are having an amazing day. So I am pretty excited because today we have a new subscription, new-ish subscription. It is Glamour Jewelry box. However, you notice it's not in a box, it's just a little mailer. That is because this is actually one of their new plans, which I think is awesome. So they asked if I would like to do a video on this and share with you guys one of their new options. And I said yes, because I love Glamour Jewelry box, first of all. And who doesn't love jewelry, right? And I love sharing new plans and subscriptions with you guys. So first, again, thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Guys, don't forget, we have 2 active giveaways. They will be linked down below, so definitely check those out and enter if you have not. So this is their single piece subscription plan. Now, Glamour Jewelry box, normally their normal box has 3 pieces in it, and you do get to keep the jewelry every month. Well, now with this new plan, you can actually go in and you can kind of create a profile or a wish list, if you will, of jewelry pieces they have listed that you like. And then every month they will send you one of those items and you get to keep it. Awesome. And it's only $14.95. So, it says new jewelry on autopilot. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, and I do have a promo code to save you 10% off your first month, and that is Southern10. So, like I said, you get to customize and create a wish list of your favorite pieces. You do get the 1 piece a month, like I said, to keep for only $14.95. And they do add new jewelry each quarter, so it's always updated and on trend. So I think that is fantastic. So this gives you a more affordable way to get jewelry, and the pieces from Glamour Jewelry box, you guys, are always amazing. So I'm excited to see what I got because I did go in and create a wish list. So we will see what is in here, and yeah. So I'm excited. I'm just excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. All right, so I'm gonna cut this. I just like the idea of subscription companies at offering different plans, because their normal box with the 3 pieces is $29.95, I believe. And, you know, not everybody can do $30 a month, but this gives you an option to do still get the jewelry, but at a, you know, on a cheaper plan, which I think is fantastic. So I love that they've rolled out this new box or plan. This is their normal little card that would come with this. It says, "Thank you for being a member of Glamour Jewelry box, and welcome to the family. Something shiny for you has arrived, and it was packed with love just for you. We can't wait for you to try on your jewelry. Every single piece you receive is yours to keep." So then it goes over some jewelry care. Avoid direct contact with perfume, body lotions, hairsprays, and chemicals. Remove jewelry when bathing, showering, swimming, exercising, or going to bed. And avoid direct sunlight, heat, cold, and humidity. So just some tips and a thank you. So that is nice. And then the jewelry is in a cute little bag. And this bag is great because of the material that you could, you know, obviously store it or clean your items. So okay, so this is nice. So this actually tells us about the piece that we got. And let me pull it out. It is in a little bag right here. And it is a double bar layer necklace. With a classic double bar pre-layered, this necklace is sure to become your new staple and is perfect for pairing with a casual shirt with any neckline. And the retail price of this is $25. And I do remember seeing this and I was like, oh, that looks really, really pretty. This is one of those that's like simple, but so gorgeous, and it could be dressed up, dressed down. And I do, again, like they said, it's already layered for you. So, but I just think that is so pretty. And again, I love that this is something that you can, first of all, you can adjust. You can see there it's adjustable, but you can wear this and it could, like I said, be something so simple with just a regular shirt, or it's still gorgeous enough that you could wear this out on the town. I think it's beautiful. What do you guys think? I really like this subscription. I really like that. I like Glamour Jewelry Box, period, but I do really like that they have now come out with this different plan that may suit a budget better. If you're on a budget, you know what I mean? Like, instead of the $29.95, you can get this and you get to put on your wish list what pieces you like. And I love that too. So I think that's amazing. All right, you guys. So that was the Glamour Jewelry Box single piece plan. That's the item I got for October 2019. Let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.